He is a 6-year-old German Shepherd who comes from Slovakia. Right now in our department we have 3 dogs. Brody is a street dog, which means he bites people and he also does bomb work. Right now our sheriff's department has 3 dogs. Brody does bomb work, our other 2 dogs do narcotics work besides the street work. You're all excited. You know what's going to happen today, don't you? Like I said, all 3 of our dogs that we've had have come from Slovakia. Hey. So with our dogs, we have to certify twice a year. Well, with my dog, I certify twice a year. Once for the street work, which is usually in June. And then in the fall, actually next week, we have to go out to the airport and we certify for our bomb work. With our bomb work, we do a lot of VIP type work, whether it be searching cars or whatever it is. When the Super Bowl was here, we worked 114 hours. It was 10-hour days, 10 days straight for the Super Bowl with a few extra long days in there. Most people don't know, but at the Super Bowl there was 101 dogs here just for the Super Bowl. Friday night we went into the stadium, we swept the stadium from top to bottom, everything from air conditioners to vents to whatever, and then they sealed off the stadium until Sunday for the game. So Brody likes to chew his toy up, as we can see. Hey, get the handle off. So we'll do a quick demonstration of what he does for the bite work, and then I'll show you what he does for his bomb work also. So with our dogs, a lot of people think they just go to bite, but they don't. They're not allowed to do anything until we tell them what we're going to do, or tell them what to do. So, Jack? There he is.
We're rolling.
So basically, as you can see, he's all of a sudden got his attention because that's what his favorite thing is to do, is to bite on the sleeve. To the dog, this is just a game. He has nothing against him at all. This is just a game for him. So basically, and some of you have already come up and pet Brody, you know he's all calm and whatever. Watch it. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Oh! That's a good boy. Hey!
Workers' comp.
Commanded off lead, the leash is on him, but they call it off lead when he's not connected to me, or right away. Great. Stand.
I think Dustin has one of the few this week.
Yeah, there you go.
So he's not allowed to take anything or do anything until we tell him to do it. And all our dogs, even for his bomb work, is what we call toy reward. This is all he works for, is this toy. Nothing special, just a $9 toy from Fleet Farm. Same with the bomb work. You will see some dogs, maybe if you see them out and about, or you'll see it on TV, where they get fed when they do their work. ATF, the federal ones, or ATF's the big one that does food reward. So that dog, the only time he ever gets to eat is when he trains. So those dogs are constantly training. Even at home, he has to train them. That's how the dog gets fed. They sort out their food and how much food they're going to feed them for the day, whether it's you know, a couple of cups or whatever, and through the day they do the training and he gets fed. That's how he gets fed. He gets 2 cups in the morning, 2 cups at night, and he gets to play with a toy. So I'll do a demo for his mom work. He is what we call a passive dog. So his alert will either be he will sit or lay down when he finds an explosive. Reason being is we don't want him disturbing the hide. We really don't want him to pick it up and bring it to me. They've started to do that with the narcotics works too, the narcotic dogs, because they'll go smell packages at the airport or at the post office, and they still want to deliver those packages. They just don't want it full of bite marks. So the old way used to be you send the dope dog into the guy's car and the dog would tear the car up looking for the dope. They don't do that anymore because it gets very expensive for the department. So I'm going to use the truck over here. Well, that's all he does. He'll sit down or lay down if the hide's really low on the ground. Sometimes the hides will be way under, they'll put him way under the trucks. He'll actually crawl under the car and then never come back out. Is usually how you know it's there. Does anybody have any questions?
I don't.
You forgot?